You turned the table on me, and now I'm falling for you. You turned the tables on me. I can't believe that it's true. I always knew when you brought a lovely present to brought. Why haven't you brought me more? But now if you come, I welcome anything from the 5 and 10 cents store you used to call.